trust in our business is extremely important to us, and that's why, you know, the technicians that we have, when we find good ones, we hang on to them. If we get somebody in, we know pretty quickly whether they're going to follow our motto and our way of doing things. And
honestly, it's just honesty. I mean, it's just taking care of the customer. We never ever sell the customer anything they don't need.
The technicians that we have here right now have been here for, you know, over 2-3 years. Charlie's been with us since the very beginning, so which is now going on 18 years that we've been in business. So
we've pretty much built this place on honesty.
That's why we've been successful, is that people aren't stupid. They may not know anything about cars, but they know if you're trying to mess them over and sell them something they don't need. They just know.
Man, I wish you could ask the customers, because they can tell you how Bill is about honesty. Like, he's not gonna sell you anything that you really don't need.
My husband is extremely honest to a fault, and everybody that we work here follows that same rule, because we don't like people around us that aren't honest and caring. And
that's the first thing I really like about this place when I start working for him, because the customer talk pretty good about the place.
We try to do the best we can and let the customer know, you know, exactly what's wrong, and let them know if, you know, if it's something they just have to have done, you know, or if it's something that can wait. And we just, you know, let them know what's going on exactly.
I think with the new software, being able to show people things definitely has made it more of a transparent situation where they can see that we're not just pulling wool over their eyes, you know. So
we let them know what's going on. We send pictures. We do everything. Everything is upfront and is, you know, transparent.